Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the Survivor Apocalypse outfit in dress and press without VIP. Okay guys, the outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this black color. And for this hairstyle, you can remove the bangs and you're going to put on this hat and color it with this color and select toggle 2. And you're going to put on this item, color it like this. And for the toggle, just select the toggle 1. Right, and put on this item, color it like this, and you're going to change the material to denim. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this top, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to apply this pattern and then I'm going to put on this mesh and I'm going to select toggle 2 and make it thick. All right, and put on this item and we're going to make it thick and I'm going to make it toggle 2 and put on this item right here. Okay, like this guys, and then I'm going to go to this top area. I'm going to select this butterfly top and apply the same pattern we have applied before and select this boot, and then I'm going to color it with this color for the first selection, and for the second selection make it this color and make it this color for the third selection. All right, and then I'm going to go to this area, this jeans area, and I'm going to put on this jeans and I'm going to apply this pattern. Oops, I'm going to apply this color and then we're going to make it denim. All right, and I'm going to go to the changing room here and then I'm going to go to the currency items and I'm going to put on this dress. This dress, and then we're going to choose skirt only and apply the same pattern. Okay, make them have the same pattern and I'm going to go to the coats item and I'm going to apply, it's still loading guys. Okay, I'm going to choose this item and select tight jacket, and for the color I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and now it's done. This is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create the Survivor Apocalypse outfit in dress and press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.